How to translate a PDF file into another language. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can translate a PDF file from one language to other. So for this, let's first open any web browser of our choice. For this I'll be using Google Chrome. I'll open a new tab and simply search for PDF translator. Now once I have searched this, I'll hit the enter button and I can access a variety of different tools. So let us go with this option, that is the online doc translator. So I'll go here and then from here I'll choose this translator option again, and then I'll need to upload my PDF file. So I'll click onto this upload button and remove these add pop-ups. And once I'll do this, I can simply choose that particular file that I want to translate. So let's say I want to translate this file. I'll simply select it and then I will choose the particular language. So it supports these particular languages. So as you can see, I have successfully uploaded it, and then at the bottom I have this option to choose the language. So I will choose the original language, which is English. So I'm gonna find English in this. But this particular original document might be in Latin. So let me confirm this by opening this file sample. So as you can see, this is the file sample, which is around 150 KB. So if I'll open this, let me find out in which language it actually is. So yes, indeed it is in this particular language, which is not in English. So let us convert this to English. So I will simply move back to our Google Chrome and let the process begin. So now it will convert this particular PDF from Latin to English. So let's click onto this translate option, and now you can see that it is translating the words and it is almost done. And I can download your translated documents by clicking onto this. Now I will need to watch a 30 seconds ad, as apparently it is not ad free. So let us watch this ad and then I will see you on the next side. So as you can see that the ad has almost finished, so we can cross it and then click onto this download option right here. So let us download a translated document and it is currently loading. So here you can see that our file has started to download and we can access it by going to the downloads option. So let us go to downloads and see if it has been downloaded or not. So here is our translated file, and now you can see that the translations has been successful and most of these texts which are selectable have been successfully translated. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.